Olympics 2023 Finals. Silver medal, Philippine International Mathematical Olympiad, 8th round. Bronze medal, Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad, final round. Gold medal, Hong Kong International Mathematical Olympiad 2024, 8th round. Bronze award, Philippine International Mathematical Olympiad, final round. Bronze award, Asian Science and Mathematics Olympiad. Silver award, Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad 2024. Silver award, Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad 2025 final round. Gold medal, Guangdong Hong Kong Macau International Mathematical Olympiad, Big Bang 2024-2025. Bronze award, Guangdong Hong Kong Macau International Mathematical Olympiad, Big Bang 2024-2025 final round. Once again, Micaela, Rina, and Ginto. Hani Larissa Siladir, with honors. Angelique Mary L. Magbutay, with honors. She is also the recipient of second place overall, second place best script, second place best infomercial, second place best news presenter in the 2024 Division Press Conference Radio Broadcasting Filipina Group category. Mayara Mercury G. Marcelo, with high honors. She is also the recipient of second place overall physical science in category Regional Science and Technology Fair 2023, second best display board physical science and Regional Science and Technology Fair 2020. Precious Clara C. Mariano, with high honors. Leadership Awardee, Research Awardee, second place in the 17th Olymp Physics. Garnet Fatima C. Platillo, with honors. Miriam Elizabeth P. Polanco, with honors. With honors, Leadership Award. Hannah Abigail S. Salvador, with honors. Sophia Christine Isabel S. Soledad, with high honors. She is also the recipient of Top Project Vida Ciencia Future Hospital Innovations 2024. Tiffany Alea R. Samido, with high honors. Sabina Stacia F. Soria, with honors. Lian T. Tan, with honors. Chantal Regina A. Tria, with honors. Leon Lodwin D. Villana, with honors. Leadership Awardee, Research Awardee, Innovation Awardee, and she is also the recipient of Grant Winner, The Search for Quezon